Hello and welcome. We're here at BloombergQuint tracking earnings from Tech Mahindra. It's been a steady quarter, but to take us through these earnings, we're in conversation with Mr. CP Gurnani, the CEO of Tech Mahindra. Mr. Gurnani, thank you for joining us. Starting off with your dollar revenues, which have seen and held up despite the fact that we've seen some seasonal weakness. Can you take us through the factors which have lent strength to this quarter, and perhaps some of those factors which have also led to a substantial increase in your other income as well?
No, I would consider it just a marginal improvement. As you would recall, in Q4 we had said we are working on three vectors. Number one is restructuring or part of our business. Number two, we had said we are looking at operating metrics. Number third, we had said is we are looking at some of the growth vectors. I think the business improvement plan has only got into place. The various vectors are now progressing, but it is going to be a slow and steady growth. So when I look at this quarter, I can only say it's a good beginning, but there's a lot to be done. A good beginning that we have been able to improve our performance by about 70 basis points. Yes, we have had, a tougher challenges in terms of H-1B visa costs, but that is part of the seasonal every quarter. And I can only say that Tech Mahindra is on the right trajectory. We are improving and we will continue to improve. Our focus on innovation, focus on digital technologies is giving us results.
Mr. Gurnani, the other area of focus was your acquisitions that you made over the past 2 years. Can you take us through how they have done, specifically in this case, Lightbridge Communications?
LCC, I'm very happy to say that we had planned to restructure it. We have finished the restructure. Now it's a regular business. So LCC is now focusing on some of the 5G network rollouts, some of the network optimization. I'm very happy with the core networks and the radio networks that LCC is serving. Since LCC, I've had 4 acquisitions. All 4 of them have done extremely well. Pininfarina, Bio Agency, or in terms of now the HCI, and then we had done Target, a platform, mortgage platform out of UK. All 4 are doing very well. They're well integrated. And the more important is that the management team is adding to Tech Mahindra's reach in the market and bandwidth in the market.
Mr. Gurnani, you've spoken about growth being gradual from here on, but when it comes to margins, what is it that's going to drive this expansion going ahead?
Tech Mahindra management team is very, very focused on their margin improvement program. It's almost like a daily focus. Similarly, on the growth, we are conscious that network is an area of growth, engineering services, our security services are areas of growth, and we are pressing the pedal harder when it comes to those services. And in general, Tech Mahindra is a well-diversified company. We are there in 90 countries. Depending on, how the market behaves, we will continue to evaluate our geography strategy and service offerings. But I'm confident that the growth will be there, definitely. It will be slow and gradual.
Well, Mr. Gurnani, it was a pleasure speaking with you. Thank you very much for your time.